Why is tempeh more expensive than other plant-based proteins? Imagine biting into a piece of tempeh and knowing it took more effort to get from soybeans to your plate. Tempeh often costs more than other plant proteins, but why is that? Well, it all comes down to how it's made. Unlike tofu or simple beans, tempeh goes through a fermentation process that is more involved. This process needs specific conditions like the right temperature, humidity, and cleanliness. It also requires extra ingredients such as a fermentation starter, which can be yeast or mold, and sometimes binding agents like rice flour. These additional raw materials add to the cost of making tempeh. Fermentation itself is a labor-intensive step. It takes about 24 to 48 hours for the soybeans to ferment properly. During this time, producers must carefully control the environment to prevent contamination and ensure quality. This means more labor and energy are needed, which increases production costs. Plus, the equipment used for fermentation and maintaining the right conditions adds to expenses. Packaging tempeh is another factor. Because it's a fresh product that can spoil quickly, it needs specialized packaging to keep it fresh and safe. This packaging is often more costly than the simple wrappers used for dried or processed plant proteins. Tempeh also has a shorter shelf life, which means it needs to be transported quickly and stored in cold conditions. Cold chain logistics, including refrigerated trucks and storage facilities, raise transportation and storage costs. In some markets, importing soybeans can be expensive due to import duties or tariffs. If the tempeh is organic or made with high-quality soybeans, the raw ingredients cost more. Organic certification often requires additional steps and inspections, which add to the overall price. From a nutritional point of view, tempeh is packed with complete protein, probiotics, and is easier to digest because of fermentation. These benefits make it a popular choice for vegetarians and vegans, even if it costs a bit more. So, the main reasons tempeh costs more than other plant proteins are the extra raw materials, the longer and more complex fermentation process, higher overhead costs for energy and packaging, and transportation expenses. All these factors combine to make tempeh a premium option that offers great nutrition and taste, but at a higher price.